Welcome to 17340 Joplin Avenue in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044. Thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day to see this incredible two-story home that was built in 2007 with over 3,200 finished square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, asphalt driveway, walking paths in the whole neighborhood, located close to 35W and County Road 50, so it's a quick commute to downtown Minneapolis as well as St. Paul. What I want to point out in showing you this house today is you're going to feel like you're actually here seeing it in person. It's very low maintenance exterior with wood, stone, and vinyl. There are all types of amenities that make this very competitive with new construction. Not only do you have all of this gorgeous landscaping already done, you also have a yard, privacy, a 3-season porch, a huge front patio, as well as a deck and lots more to show you inside. This front patio is a perfect place to sit out and have a cup of coffee in the morning and read your newspaper or maybe a cocktail after work. As you can see, it's in extremely great condition. The current owners are meticulous and have been since the day they moved in as new construction. This house is so well cared for. I'm going to take you around the backyard now so you can see the rest of the home and the privacy. So getting around to the backyard, as you can see, it's very, very private. There's the screened-in 3-season porch with a deck, and then this whole lower level has been taken care of with landscaping as well, so you can throw parties and host events here. It is a full walkout lower level. The lower level is unfinished, so you could add another 1,200 finished square feet or so should you want to do that. If you like privacy and you don't want to back up to other people and neighbors, this is a perfect fit for you. The fire pit is a wonderful place to get together with friends and family. If you like to see wildlife like deer and turkey and birds and everything you can think of, you get it back here. It's very, very private. The deck is in excellent condition. Everything is well cared for, as you can see. The video pretty much speaks for itself. A very large deck that overlooks the private backyard. I'm going to take you into this 3-season porch with a vaulted ceiling and some brickwork. All of it has lighting. It's very functional. It's very inviting and warm. These are great spaces to hang out, especially if you like to have parties and have people over. This is truly a wow house, and you get so much more for your money than you do with new construction. This porch and deck would probably run you $60,000 to add to any new build, so you can figure that on top of all of the landscaping alone, not to mention all the amenities inside. But as you can see, very low maintenance, excellent shape. Here's another shot from the front before we go in the house, kind of giving you a view again of the landscaping and all of the concrete and stonework. I love this huge open foyer. It's wonderful to get all of your guests out of the rain when you are having people over. The brickwork is in impeccable condition. Same with the siding, soffits, fascia, very low maintenance. All the mechanicals in this house are excellent. All of the appliances stay with the home. Again, over 3,200 finished square feet, built in 2007, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, huge 2-story open foyer with beautiful hardwood floors. So this is truly a wow house when you walk in. Off to the right is a formal living room, which you could convert to another office. And off to the left here is an actual office that you could also use as a workroom or a den, whatever you can think of that it would work for your lifestyle. It has the glass French doors to close it off for privacy. Again, here's a look at the hardwood floors. Big entryway so people aren't tripping over each other as your guests arrive. Off to the left here is a double closet. To the right, that goes to the basement. To the left is a half bath for guests. So this is a really nice feature to have. Most homes do have it, but nonetheless, it's a great thing to have. Some of the 2 stories don't. Beautiful open floor plan, large living room and kitchen area. Plenty of room for a large table for eat-in. Big kitchen, big living room with huge windows that overlook the backyard and the privacy. Gas fireplace, lots of built-ins, premium carpet. There's just so much extra here for the money. This home is in a great location, like I was saying earlier, close to 35W and Highway 50. You're only minutes from shopping. It's very neutral, very well cared for. All the windows are in excellent condition. The house is built again in 2007. Off to the right here is a mudroom with tile floors, a double closet. That goes to a 3-car attached garage. Then off to the right here is a laundry room and storage. Beautiful custom cabinets throughout the whole entire home. You get a little bench there for a cubby for a seat to put on shoes. Again, hardwood floors throughout the kitchen, granite countertops, backsplash, beautiful custom cabinets, stainless steel appliances. All appliances stay with the home. Look at this beautiful view when you're doing dishes. Not only can you keep an eye on the kids in the backyard, but you got something to look at other than just a wall. Lots of natural light throughout the day. Again, all the appliances stay with the home, including the double oven. Off to the right here is a little coffee bar next to the refrigerator, plus a small desk if you want to write bills. This is a walk-in pantry, so lots of space with all of the cabinets and this pantry for food and storage of dishes, whatever you need. This is the formal dining room, which they have chosen to turn into a game room currently, but you could easily turn it back into a formal dining. The double doors there goes out to that 3-season screened-in porch. The house has everything. You know, if you're looking in Lakeville and you are looking for value for the dollar in the $500,000 range, you can't get better than this particular house, especially with the premium lot and all of the landscaping, not to mention this incredible care that's been taken. So I'm taking you upstairs. There are a total of 4 bedrooms up. This is one of the largest master suites I've ever been in. It has vaulted ceilings, as you can see. It's kind of hard to tell with the video, but I'll turn you around and show you. Not only do you have the beautiful view of the backyard and the privacy, you also have enough room with where the bed is currently sitting. You could put in a sitting area in here as well. It is again, vaulted ceiling, all in excellent condition, no cracking, no problems, very neutral paint. It has the French double doors that enter into the master. It is a full master suite with a private toilet, tile floors, separate tub, jacuzzi tub, shower, as well as a really big master walk-in closet. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but this is probably double the size of what I normally see in this type of home. So you have custom woodworking, linen closet, separate shower, the jacuzzi tub, all tile, not an insert. You can't ask for more. You'll feel like you're on vacation when you're here. Again, built in 2007, over 3,200 finished square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. Who doesn't want something like that? Beautiful views of the backyard, very private. You barely notice your neighbors because of the privacy. This was the premium lot in this subdivision when it was built. So I'm going to take you down the hall here and show you the other bedrooms. So off to the right here is the second bedroom. All of them are really good sized with excellent walk-in closet. This particular bedroom has its very own private bathroom. Shingles are the 35-year architectural shingles, just to give you another view here from the front. All the windows are in excellent condition. Molding and trim work. So to the right here is a walk-in closet and a 3/4 private bath for bedroom number 2. And this is 2 of 4 in the upper level. Again, tile floors, really nice vanity. All of them have a good size walk-in closet, which is another great feature. Lots of times when you get the 4 bedrooms up, you give up one of the bedrooms being either really small or all of them have very small closets. Notice the quality of the doors and the framing and trim work. So as we go farther down the hall, then this is bedroom 3, which has a really big walk-in closet, and the 4th bedroom, which I'll show you. Both bedroom number 3 and bedroom number 4 have a Jack and Jill bath, and it's that door off to the left there. So there are a total of 4 bathrooms. The master has its own suite. There is a half bath on the main level. The second bedroom, which we just looked at, has a 3/4 private, and then the bedroom here, which is 3, and now bedroom 4, has a Jack and Jill bath. There's another shot of the foyer. Notice how big it is. The 2-story, it's very grand looking when you drive up to the house and just as grand when you walk in the front door. So this is bedroom 4, and then here is the Jack and Jill with the 2 sinks, and it is a tub and a shower. The house is in excellent condition. Again, all the bedrooms have really nice size walk-in closets. They're very spacious. So 4 full-size bedrooms on the upper level. The foundation is about 1,700 plus. The lower level is unfinished. It's a full walkout, but it's ready for you to do whatever you want. Some of the framing as well as electrical has already been done. So for the most part, it really just needs sheetrocking and some flooring. Slider out to the backyard. Look at all of that extra landscaping you get. The value is here for the price. You've got to come and see this house. You won't regret it. It's priced to sell, and I would put it up against any new construction in the same price point. Come out and see it. You won't regret it. Look at this. High efficiency furnace. It has it all. Don't wait.